Gator Pit, Texas. Custom barbecue pits and other fabrication. Here is a corn hopper, or a grain hopper, or whatever hopper you want to use it for, or as. So it holds 1,000 pounds of corn. Made this for a customer for his deer lease or ranch. And he's able to fill it up with 1,000 pounds of corn, forklift it with his tractor, and then hold this over his feeders out in the field and pull a chute down here that will allow him to dump corn and fill that feeder up and then move on to the next one. It's going to speed up his feeders and make it a lot easier for him to go around the ranch to be able to top off his deer feeders. Give me a call, Rich Robin, 713-896-0144, gatorpit.net. Email info@gatorpit.net.